How to hide the online status on Bigo Live application. So if you are also concerned with your privacy, then you need to follow all the steps that I guide on this video. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. First thing first, open the Bigo Live application. Make sure you have signed in on your Bigo Live account. If you reach on this home screen of Bigo Live account, simply you need to choose the Me option at the bottom right corner. This will take you to the profile page. Now tap on gear icon at the top of the screen. When you reach here, at the top only you will find the option of privacy. Tap on it and here are different privacy options. On the second option there is hide your online status option. Simply you need to toggle on this button. So after turning on, your online information will not be displayed and you'll be shown offline on Bigo Live application. So this is how you can easily hide your online status on Bigo Live account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.